My name is Jillian Hodler, and I am the volunteer coordinator for Tree Folks. We're out here today doing a Ready Set Plant, and it's a program where we plant saplings or baby trees along areas next to creeks and rivers within the city of Austin. We planted about 1,000 saplings today. We're coming in to reforest the land. So what's important about this area is it's a riparian area, meaning that it's right next to water. We're paying special attention to this area in order to improve the health of the creek. Heavy rainfall can wash the soil off of the land, so the trees help to hold the soil in place and keep it from eroding and keep the creek bank in place. Tree Folks works with Watershed Protection Department scientists to choose species of native trees that will thrive and grow well in a riparian area. These trees will help to improve the quality of the air and the water quality. They provide habitat for a lot of different kinds of wildlife. They'll also help to shade and cool the city and help to mitigate the effects of climate change. And they'll also add beauty to the natural environment for everybody to appreciate. Ready Set Plant is appropriate for any level of experience, so people should feel free to come to the Ready Set Plant event, even if they don't know what they're doing and they've never planted a tree before. People can find out more about volunteering with Tree Folks on our website, treefolks.org. You can find all of our volunteer events and other educational events there on our website.